Meck Johnson, broker and owner of Lux Real Estate Group in Atlanta, where I specialize in listing and selling condos, lofts, and townhomes. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at MeckJohnsonRE so that you receive updates on the latest topics. Let's talk about buying a home in an HOA. Whether it's a condo, townhome, loft, or even a single-family home, there are initial fees for which the buyer is responsible. These fees include any transfer, initiation, and administration fees. The buyer is responsible for their portion of any special assessment under consideration or proposed special assessments, as well as their portion of any already approved special assessments. The buyer is also responsible for their regular prepaid HOA fees and any move-in fees, including fees and security deposits to reserve, say, an elevator. The buyer is also responsible for any special assessment that is due subsequent to closing, meaning after closing. The buyer must pay capital contributions, new member fee, transfer fee, new account setup fee, along with any one-time fees associated with the closing of the transaction and fees to transfer keys, gate openers, remotes, fobs, etc. In addition to these fees, the buyer will receive a community association disclosure from the seller, which must be signed to acknowledge that they're aware of the fees associated with purchasing in the building or development. I hope this information has been helpful, and if you're ready to buy, contact me at 470-670-6100. And if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to my channel for new weekly videos.